This is Jason from McGuires Clocks, and we're going to take a look at a Howard Miller Coastal Point. This clock has been discontinued a number of years ago. I purchased this one from a lady in Lakeway. She owned this and the curio cabinet that Howard Miller made to match it. Howard Miller called this their platinum finish. It's not quite silver. It's not quite gold. It's somewhere in between. It's got silvered weights and pendulum. Mirrors front and bottom. The case is lit. I have the top of it lit up right now. Dial has silver markers instead of numerals. Hands are silver. Rings on the dial are silver color. It's actually a really pretty clock. It's also a very heavy clock. Glass on here is etched on the front door. The panels on the side, let's see if we can get this in here, are beveled. Has nice filigree added onto it, the shell motif on the top. Has this kind of a metal wrought iron look on the base of it here. I'm not sure what you would call this, but all these are caved where it's got ripples in them. This is a triple chime, Westminster, St. Michael, and Whittington with nighttime shutoff, and the ability to turn the chime and the strike on and off independently of each other. I'll go ahead and show you what it sounds like. Right, we'll try Westminster now. That was St. Michael's. Alright, now on this one we've pulled the Howard Miller movement and replaced it with the exact same movement, so you'll get another 20 plus years of service if you have it serviced regularly, cleaned and oiled about every 5 years. And this lady kept everything. That's the original instruction booklet there, and she even had the original tag here, which I'll show you since it's got some information about the clock itself, the measurements and all. This does come with a 2-year warranty like any of our new clocks. It has free delivery and setup inside Austin and the surrounding areas out to the San Antonio area. That's about as far as we go, and we'll go out. That's about an hour and a half from Austin in any direction with free delivery and setup. Hope you can see the color on here. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. You can see they call it platinum. It is not silver and it's not gold. It's got a different color to it. It's kind of a pretty color. I know there's some people out there looking for this because they stopped making it a few years back. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at 512-452-4558 at McGuiresClocks.com or on Facebook at McGuire's Clocks. I'm gonna go ahead and step back and show you the full thing here. Thank you very much.